Jason, it's wonderful having you at Influence Exchange Conference and Award Series. We would like to ask a few questions about the event and your professional life as well. So, my first question is going to be what attracted you to a career in marketing and what keeps you passionate about it?
Hi everyone. I am glad to be here at the Influence Exchange Group initiative for the award ceremony and the amazing sessions. To begin with my journey, it started off with the advertising background, but eventually I was very keen because I started off with the other side to get an understanding of how the ad world works. So when I moved to the brand side, it was quite amazing because I got to know all the nuances of how much time it takes to get into the entire, gippies of what goes behind creating a brand campaign. Having said that, with my journey, I believe that I have achieved in last 18 years of my career abundance experience in terms of my innovation, my creativity, and passion towards marketing. It only makes me more and more creative and passionate to head to work because marketing is such a stream which always opens new doors to creativity. Every day at the hotel, we come up with a new initiative. There is nothing redundant. It's an open platform of flexibility and the entire ownership that we get in terms of doing new things. Experiences is something which we believe in marketing. It's not about selling the room or the food, but it's more about how we amplify that with a lot of marketing initiatives which goes towards partnerships, collaborations. So that's what is something which keeps me going, and I think that's a long way to go.
So, what are the key takeaways you hope the audience will gain from today's session?
I believe this was one of the key platform and initiative for the marketeers because it was more to do with the influencers and the collaborators. And where I'm coming from is it's one of our key forte and a platform which we leverage because influencer marketing is something which is the major avenue that each brand is been exploring. It is not to do and limited with anything which comes from an investment, but it is something which is been explored from a content creation, from building the engagement, the reach. We do not qualify anything which is been pretty much based through the followers, but it is more to do with the kind of a content that one generates which makes it so legit and resonating to the end user. So these sessions were quite interactive and very descriptive in terms of understanding that where they come from, what are their perspectives, and how it benefits the brands in terms of leveraging and tying up with the right influencers. So quite an interesting day, and I think there's a lot more that we have in terms of exploring.
And what are the most significant trends you see emerging in today's ad tech, martech, and influencer marketing landscape in India?
I feel that every day has been a new day with a new trend, new technology, and a new kind of a concept that one is explored and exposed to. With each growing time, we come across something which is catching the attention on the media, which we largely know more than the traditional forums. It's the Instagrams and it's the AIs and everything which is been taking the pace over the platforms of our marketing initiatives. So I think that there is a lot more which we keep seeing as opportunities which keeps evolving around the new trends. And with the growing times, the way we've been engaging with these in newer initiatives, I feel that there is every day a new opportunity or a concept that one comes up with, and the same thing is being followed as a crazy trend throughout that season and then moves on to another one.
So, what advice would you like to give to the aspiring young marketing professional who is looking to make an impact in this industry?
Okay, with my experience and working with so many marketing people and my teams, I believe that there are two takeaways. Please believe in your passion. The only way that you would make yourself feel very happy and in a good space is when you love what you do. So unless it's not within you, I don't think it's something which you will love doing. So passion is something, and the stability and loyalty. I strongly believe keep jumping between a year and a two does not gives you that experience. So believe in what you do, and trust me, there is such a long way to go when it comes to new ways of exploring things that you learn on the go.
Last but not the least, how was your experience being with Influence Exchange Conflicts and Award series?
Oh, that the whole experience from where it started for me to be in touch digitally with the whole organizing team and till date, as of today, where I am here, it has been a great seamless experience. I believe this is one of the great forum which has come up with this initiative because that what caters to the marketeers, to the brands, and it is something which is some long way to go because these are the platforms which get us to network to engage with more people, and with the kind of sessions being done, with the kind of felicitations being offered, I think it's something which will find its space in a long way.
Sony, it was wonderful having with you, and congratulations for the award. And we hope we will see you for the next edition as well. Thank you.